Top 5.
Viking Revolution. Find out for yourself why others are saying this is the best comb they've ever come across. This dual-sided comb gives the best grooming experience, with both its fine and coarse teeth, no static or pulls, and great for taking out knots.
Top 4.
ZEUS. Our handmade combs were created using sheets of this plant-based material, giving us a petroleum and plastic-free alternative. Combs created with this material are higher in quality compared to plastic, which is cheaper and won't last as long.
Top 3.
ZEUS Pro. Fine workmanship, it has a smooth appearance, prevents pulling and breaking hair, and does not scratch the skin when passing through the beard. Enough style. There are 2 styles in total. Each style has 2 different materials, stainless steel and titanium steel.
Top 2.
Arcam. Featuring rapid heating technology, Arcam's beard straightener comb was designed to save you valuable time and achieve the perfect look.
Top 1.
Kent. Styling comb for the perfect grooming experience for fine or thinning hair, beard care, and hair care. The best comb for hair, mustache beard, fits perfectly into your jeans or back pocket so you can groom your facial hair anytime, anywhere. Perfect travel comb.